What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to generate and how to better display your QR codes, okay? But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to your Google and type Adobe QR codes, okay? Just like this. Let me go back right here. You can go to free QR code generator from Adobe. Enter the URL of your QR code. In my case, it's gonna be Visualmodo. Just like this. Click on Generate QR Code blue button. Here's the URL. You can change the dots, style, the marker. You can change the colors, in the case that I want, and the file format. I just want a PNG file, just like this. So, you need to log in on your Adobe account, then you're gonna be able to download or open in Adobe Express to get more layouts and more design styles. But I'm gonna keep this all on my downloads, okay? Then I'm gonna move to my Canva, find the design to the size that I need, go to templates. On templates, I'm gonna search for QR codes, just like this. And then you're gonna be able to choose the design that you want, according to the business you have, according to the things you have. I think this one right here, it's okay. Just like this. Then, right here, I'm gonna review the left sidebar of menus on my Canva, find uploads, upload file, select the Adobe file, and place it right here, just like this. Adjust the size. Just like this. And I'm good to go. I can publish this into some social media, for example, or I can print this, and that is. Feel free to change the text right here as you wish, and you're gonna be able to hit the upper right corner of your screen, share button, to download and print this material, okay? And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!